Hey everyone, welcome to the show. My name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is
Phoenix!
And today on the show we're going to be drawing a
Mario face!
That's right, we're going to draw a Super Mario and we're going to draw his head. So let's get to it.
Yes!
Okay, the first step is we're going to draw Mario's nose, and that's kind of like a big scone, oval scone. So right, so in the middle of the page what you want to do is you want to draw his nose like that. So it's kind of like a big potato. All right, cool, that's good. Now, the next step is to draw his eyes. I guess you could say they're like two petals on a leaf. So one here, like so. And another one around like that, on the other side. It's kind of like a bee, looks like a bee. So the next step is we want to like do a curve down here like that. So half curve in there. Very good, Phoenix. And then we're going to do another curve down like that. Okay, and then from here we do another curve in here. Just going to keep on doing curves. And another curve back this way. So these form the eyes. Now within these two little eyes here, you want to draw a little circle. That's okay. And then we draw another circle in here, like that. Yeah, try one down there. That's it. That's good. Yep.
He's like...
He looks a bit hypnotized.
Yeah.
What we want to do is we want to colour in these little areas in here in black. Now the next thing we're going to draw is Mario's, what's here?
His mustache.
His mustache. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do one hook that goes up to here. And then on the opposite side, we do the same thing. Hook up.
Bumps.
And he's got bumps on his mustache.
I really wanted a mustache.
You want a mustache?
Yeah, but I need to get some more noodles to suck in.
Noodles?
You do.
So what we're going to do two bumps coming down. So we'll do, watch carefully. One bump. A bump on the other side. Two bumps. And another bump. And another bump. Like that. And then what we do here is we're going to meet these bumps in the middle. So go one bump in the middle.
Yeah.
And then one bump in the middle here. Like that. Oh, that's cool. The next step, what you want to do is you want to colour in his mustache. Okay, so we've done Mario's mustache.
Yes.
Okay, so what's next?
His mouth.
His mouth. Then what does he say out of his mouth?
It's a me. It's a Mario.
Ooh, okay, so this is a really easy one. So what you want to do is you want to, from this part of the mustache, do a U and come all the way down into there. Oh, it looks like he's got a ice cream in his mouth, doesn't it? And so here we want to do his teeth. So you want to go like a little U like that. He's taken shape. And then you want to do a heel at the bottom of his mouth, which is his tongue. And we want to colour in here, inside his mouth.
There.
Oh, good job, Phoenix. Too quick for me, mate. What's your favourite part of Mario? You play Mario Kart, don't you?
Yes.
What's your favourite character in Super Mario?
Everybody actually.
Everybody. What about, do you have a favourite though, or you like Mario?
Mario, Luigi, Bowser, King Boo, and maybe Donkey Kong?
Donkey Kong? You like Donkey Kong? I like Donkey Kong. He looks very big in his car, doesn't he? He's like,
yeah, but he's too slow.
He's too slow?
Yeah, I just like zoomed past. I was like, see you later, alligator, don't forget your toilet paper.
The next step is, it's going to be his chins. So watch carefully. So we want to do sort of like a line and a half sort of C that comes into here. And I'll show you how to do it. So we go one to there. And then we're going to go on the other side, around, like that.
And a little bump.
So bring him in, and then we want to do a bump. A U at the bottom here.
There we go. He looks like this guy looks like a chipmunk.
Looks like a chipmunk? I like yours. I like where you're going with that.
No, he's chipmunk.
It looks like a hypnotised Mario. Okay, so the next step is we're going to just form his head around here.
Yes.
So basically, it's just a big U that connects together like that. And he's taking shape. Whoa, look at his head. Okay, so the next step is we're going to do his eyebrows. So we're going to do a U and another U there. And then we're going to like follow the U around like a little curve like that, a little spike on one side, and do the same on the other side, and we'll colour them in. Okay, so there we have Mario's face. So the next bit is we're going to do his ears. And you don't make too big ears. So do like a little C that goes like that side. Like so. And then another C on this side. And then within the C's, you just want to do a line that goes like that. And a line like that to form his ears.
Like that?
Yep. Beautiful. Well done. I like it. Okay, so the next bit is we're going to do Mario's hat. So it's going to curve. This is going to be a really long line that's going to curve all the way up and come down and then curve around to his ears. Follow me. Up we go. Hat. Want to go up and then come down. Like that.
Ooh, look at this.
Oh, I like that. That's his hat. Now, his hat, he sort of has the brim on his forehead. So we want to go one in there.
One.
And then we go up like that. And then down like that. So that's the brim of his hat.
Like that?
Yep, beautiful. And he has his M on the top.
Yes.
So we want to do a circle for the M for Mario. Do an M, one, up and down. This is kind of like a mountain. And then you want to do the same thing, follow the mountain underneath. Yep,
I'm not good at M's.
you're good at M's. And then we connect them at the bottom.
Look.
That's fine, that's good. And guess what? We finished Mario's face.
It's me. It's a Mario.
It's a me, it's a Mario. So what's the next step?
Color in.
Color in, high five. Okay guys, there we go, we did it. So what did we draw?
A Mario face.
It's a me, it's a Mario face. It was pretty cool, isn't it? The traditional Mario with the blue eyes and red hat and his skin and his big mustache. If you're at home and you want to draw Mario different, you want to create a purple hat instead of a red hat, or change his color of his skin or his eyes, go do it. It's cool. It's up to you exactly what you want to do.
Or make a Yoshi face.
We could put him a Yoshi color face, whatever you want to do. So Phoenix, are you really excited about the new Mario movie that's coming out?
Yoshi, Yoshi, Yoshi.
Yoshi, Yoshi, Yoshi. That's what he says in the trailer, isn't it? Yeah. So right now, I think it's about a month until the movie comes out when we film this. We're going to go to the cinema, aren't we? We're going to go watch the new Super Mario movie.
Yoshi, Yoshi, Yoshi.
It's fun. It's good. Everyone's in it, isn't it? Toad, Bowser, Luigi, Mario, the princess. Who else is in there?
Yoshi?
Yes, Yoshi.
Who's the character of Bowser actually?
I think Jack Black plays Bowser.
Yeah, Jack Black.
Jack Black, he's quite funny. So what can the folks at home do, Phoenix?
Subscribe.
That's right, they can like and subscribe our videos and subscribe to our channel and stuff like that, so they can keep up to date with all the cool videos that we're making in the future. Anyway guys, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is
Phoenix!
and we are having fun making art. I hope you can join us next time. See you later, bye.
Bye.
Alright guys, so